Today I wanted to talk about using flea market finds for a photo shoot.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down. Now my feet don't even reach
Using
the
vintage
ground.
items in photos is beautiful, and we have all of these items left over from whenever we went to flea markets, and I'll show you. We did have a photo shoot with my granddaughter, and at the end of this I'll show you pictures of that how we use these items. We didn't use all of them, but I wanted to give you some inspiration. The first one is this chippy wooden chair. I would suggest, if you're using one of these chairs, to spray it down with some clear coat, just so none of that paint will fall on the subject or whatever you're taking pictures of. I would do that about 2 or 3 days beforehand so it doesn't have a smell. We also, if you want to go for a kind of a laundry theme, we have this old soap box that we used. And also this old iron that we use. I really like the color of it. It's supposed to have, it doesn't have the steam part right here, but that's okay. Another old thing that we use is an old mirror. You can find old mirrors, old brushes, things like that at flea markets. For the chair, I think we got it for about $7. The iron we got for, I'm thinking about $10. You can also use old books. Now my daughter-in-law got these books for us and to put on our bookshelf, but they are perfect for props for a photo shoot. Another background piece would be some ironstone. I love the look of ironstone. It's my favorite. This one costs about $15. It's not the cheapest, but sometimes you can find great deals at flea markets on the ironstone. Another one that I use is this old oil can, and I use this about every season for decorating. So this was a great prop to use in the background because I like that it was very tall. And we have a few more ironstone pieces that we used. I also have a small, and I love this, it's a milk stool, and I love I'll bring it closer so you can see that it has all of the cut marks, things like that on this stool. So I absolutely love this stool. This back here, my husband and I made with some reclaimed wood that we had. So it's just a little backdrop. And you'll see it closer in the pictures that I show you. This pot, I absolutely love this. We found this, or my husband found this in actually our barn. So it's a great prop. It's just perfect. I love the roundness of it. It's beautiful. Another item that would be great to use is these old phones. Now, we didn't cut the cord to this phone, so you just tuck it behind it in order to use it for a prop. We also have this milk bottle full of spools. I love the color of the spools. So if you can see that, we got this probably for about $10 at a flea market. We also have, this kind of goes with the laundry theme. It's an old Purex jar. You can get that at any flea market. They sell these bigger ones and the smaller ones too. So this is a really good backdrop. I love the color. Or if you just want a clear one, maybe put some flowers in, then they have those as well. And the last thing would be old wash tubs. We have an old wash tub here. You'll see it in those pictures. You can use that, you turn it around. You can use it with, just put the baby on it with some pillows and a furry blanket, and it looks really good. You can use it for your laundry scene, and like I said, I'll show you the pictures of that after this video to show you exactly how we did that. So that's it, that's what I have, and I just challenge you to, if you have any pictures that you've used with flea market finds, definitely comment below. I'd love to see them. And until next time, we'll talk soon.
Lovely starshine lights my way to bed. Magic rainbows glisten in my head. Just like a child, I live in Wonderland. All my dreams are coming true. Heavy shackles used to hold me down.